What a thing to see, a loved one's fading scene, while the film just carries on. The writers look away when characters die off, but I never close my eyes. What a strange idea to care for someone else, just to let them go. Maybe we were born to walk each other home. Well, I'm glad we got to meet. We're running out of time, yet it drags along. So play another song and say a slow goodbye. Say a slow goodbye. I think we all know getting old is getting old, and so is being young. Age is like a thief, steals away our years, so I'll take mine with you. We're running out of time, yet it drags along. So play another song and say a slow goodbye. 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 Oh, I come to, hands on the wheel of my 13 Ford. It's me and you, I'm zoning out and you're acting bored. Don't remember the last hour, the last years did I hurt you bad? You grabbed my hand, did you get lost down in Sleeperland? I lied to you when I swore I was listening, but here's the truth, I was afloat in my daydreaming. I'm alone there in my comfort, no adventure can startle me. You say understand, dreams are the dreams down in Sleeperland. You had to break the news. Life won't stand in line for you. Time is tripping through the stars. Now you gotta wake up.